Today we are going to talk about the partial products algorithm for multiplication. So we're going to look at a 2-digit problem and we're going to look at a problem with 3 digits. So first off, we're going to take the 2-digit problem and we're going to decompose both of these numbers. So 48 is the same as 40 plus 8, and 63 is the same as 60 plus 3. Next, what we're going to do is we're going to take the ones place of the bottom factor and we're going to multiply it by the ones place of the top factor. So 3 times 8. Next, we're going to take the ones place of the bottom factor and we're going to multiply it by the tens place of the top factor. So we have 3 times 40. Next, we're going to take the tens place of the bottom factor and we're going to multiply it by the ones place of the top factor. So we have 60 times 8. And finally, we're going to take the tens place of the bottom factor and we're going to multiply that by the tens place of the top factor, which gives us 40 times 60. Next, what we're going to do is we're going to calculate these partial products. So 3 times 8 equals 24. 3 times 40 equals 120. 60 times 8 equals 480. And lastly, 40 times 60 equals 2,400. Now that we have these partial products, we need to add these together to get our product, our final product. So we have 4. 2 plus 2 is 4, plus 8 is 12, so we write the 2, carry the 1. 1 plus 1 is 2, plus 4 is 6, plus 4 is 10. Write the 0, carry the 1. 1 plus 2 is 3, which gives us our final answer of 3,024. Next, we're going to look at one that has 3 digits. We do the same thing. So first off, we decompose. 43 is the same as 40 plus 3. 125 is the same as 100 plus 20 plus 5. Next, we take the ones place and we multiply that by the other ones place. So we have 5 times 3. Now we take the ones place and multiply it by the tens place. We have 5 times 40. Next, we move to the tens place of the bottom factor. 20 times 3. And next, we have 20 times 40. Now that we've got the tens place, we move on to the hundreds place. We have 100 and we're going to multiply that by the ones place of the top factor. So we have 100 times 3. And lastly, we have 100 times the tens place, which is 40. So 100 times 40. Lastly, we add up these partial products to get our final product. 5 times 3 is 15. 5 times 40 is 200. 20 times 3 is 60. 20 times 40 is 800. 100 times 3 is 300. And 100 times 40 is 4,000. We're going to add up all of these partial products. So we have 5. 1 plus 6 is 7. 2 plus 8 is 10. Plus 3 is 13. So we write the 3, carry the 1. 1 plus 4 is 5, which gives us a final product of 5,375. That is the partial products algorithm for multiplication.